Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here, my name is Natalia, and for today's video I wanted to do a what I eat in a day. I've never made a video like this before, and I just love watching what other people eat and give me ideas to eat, and just I don't know, I like having like an insight of other people's lives, and I thought maybe you guys would be interested in seeing what I eat in a day, also maybe get ideas on what you could eat. So we're gonna basically go through what I eat for breakfast, what I eat for lunch, and then what I eat for dinner, and any snacks that I have. I'm not a very big snacker, so you guys won't be seeing a lot of snacks on that department. I am gonna have to make dinner tonight, so we will also be doing that together. I don't cook dinner every night. Sometimes we'll have leftovers. Sometimes I do maybe like frozen food. We go out to eat, whatever. But tonight, I don't have anything that I do have leftovers. We're gonna leave them for tomorrow. Anyways, we're gonna be cooking tonight. That's my point. So hopefully you guys are excited. So let's go ahead and get right into breakfast. I have not had anything yet. It is about 9 a.m. So let's go ahead and go right into the kitchen. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna have for breakfast. So for breakfast, for me, it really depends on what I had the day before, what I wanna have the next day. So for example, if I ate something that was really heavy, I might have a lighter breakfast, or some days I wake up hungrier than others. So today, I'm not super hungry, so I'm just gonna make myself a matcha latte. I've showed it before many times in vlogs how I make them. I like having the Jade leaf. This is the Matcha Barista edition. I will use the milk tea. You can use the vanilla or the unsweetened. They're both perfectly fine. And I sweeten with a little bit of maple syrup. And I am gonna have a hot matcha latte, so I'm gonna use one of my new cups. I placed an order with Brumate, and I bought a ton of their little tumblers, or they're not all little, I guess, but like this one, it's much bigger. It's like the little mama and the baby. So I am not gonna have a big drink, so I'm just gonna use this small one that I don't think I rinsed out very well. So that's where I'm gonna put my matcha. Alright, so it is now time for lunch. It's about 12:30, and what I've been doing almost every weekday is a sandwich. I'm not a big sandwich person, but I've become a big sandwich person because I started mixing pesto with mayonnaise into my sandwich, and it is life-changing. Now, sometimes I do like different variations of a sandwich. So sometimes I'll use actual bread, and sometimes I'll use it more like a wrap. So I'll do tortillas instead of bread. Depends how I feel, what I'm in the mood for. Also, sometimes I use actual greens, like a salad green, and sometimes I use microgreens depending on what I can find at the grocery store, because it's never really the same. This week I wasn't able to get any microgreens, so we're just gonna do regular salad greens. All right, so for my bread, I've been using this one right here. This is from One Mighty Mill, I think it's the name. One Mighty Mill, and I like their multi-grain, but also like just the wheat one, which is the one that we bought this week. The wheat one is a lot more of a softer consistency, and the whole grain one, it's gonna be more like seedy and chewy, so it just really depends on your preference. But if you guys can find this brand near you, I would highly recommend it. It's super clean. These are the greens that I'm gonna use, which is just mixed greens. I make my own mayonnaise at home. Basically all you do is put 1 cup of oil, an egg, a little bit of salt, and that's it. And you just use an immersion blender. I think I have a video on it, so I'll link it below. Otherwise, let me know if you guys would want to see a video on how I make my mayonnaise, because it tastes really good, super clean, and it lasts like maybe like 2 weeks without a problem. But typically we go through it before I reach even like a week and a half. Then I've been having Gotham greens pesto, which I cannot find anymore, which I'm very sad about. I ended up buying like a ton of tubs that were on sale, and I basically froze them in like little portion sizes about this big. And what I've been doing is just taking them out and thawing them out, and then just using them through the week, and I really like doing that. This is just I think this is Munster cheese that my dad gave me because he works for Boar's Head. And then this is the meat that we use. I've been buying oven roasted chicken, and I really like it way more than turkey, because turkey doesn't have a lot of flavor, but chicken actually does. So I've been really enjoying that. And then these are my new favorite tomatoes. They're the wholesome organic poppies. As you guys can see, they're on the vine, and they taste so delicious. Like, if you guys like tomatoes and you have not tried cherry tomatoes on the vine, they're life-changing. So I'm gonna rinse these out, just pour a few, and then make myself my sandwich. Alright, it is about 6 o'clock. We just got home from Sprouts, and I'm gonna get started on dinner. So tonight we're gonna have some chicken tacos. Basically, I make them very simple. I cut up the chicken in little like cube little pieces, fry them up, and then separately I make either kind of like a fajita mix. So I'll do like bell peppers and onions kind of mixture, and then we add those. I have some cilantro. I'm gonna make a salsa. What else? And probably make myself a salad on the side. I did go to Sprouts because I needed some beans, and I had made my own last time, but I forgot to buy real beans, so I'm not going to be doing that this time. But I bought the Siete brand refried black beans. Francisco said he was craving black beans, and these ones come with the beans, avocado oil, sea salt, organic garlic powder, organic onion powder, and organic paprika. So they're already seasoned, which makes it super easy. And then for the salsa, I found a recipe online, which I will link below. It's from Pinterest. The tortillas that we eat are the almond flour tortillas from Whole Foods. We do buy the Siete brand every once in a while, but the Siete brands are a little bit more delicate. Like, they break apart a little easier, and these hold the tacos a little bit better. So we like buying these whenever we can, but they are cheaper at Costco if you buy the Siete. So I bought the Greek cream cheese, and I really like this one because it says that it's, I think, what is it, 3 times more protein and then half the fat of what you would get on cream cheese, and it tastes really yummy. I got some of these coconut rolls. These are very tasty, pretty affordable, and they're really clean. We got these to try out, which we can probably try right now. They're the layered protein bars, and these are the peanut butter. They were like buy one get one free or something. I got these, which are the Sprouts brand. These were not very clean, which a bummer, because they do have olive oil, but for some reason they also added sunflower oil, so they were almost very clean. But I figured I would just try them out. Probably not today, but try them out. Then I got 2 of the midday squares. I've had these before, but not these flavor. These are the almond crunch ones, so I'll probably have one of those right now. And then I got 2 avocados because they were 2 for $4. They're huge. That's fine. So this one.
This actually feels like one of the protein bars. Like what I imagine a protein bar being like when I was
so that's the
teens.
almond crunch. Oh, there it goes. And that's the peanut butter bar. Oh wow. Tastes like a brownie with almonds. Is yours good? You don't seem very sure.
No.
No,
it's not the greatest.
Oh no. Alright, well.
How was that?
I think I prefer that one. I give it
Yeah, this one's better.
4 out of 10. 4 out of 5, I mean. What do you give this one? And this one I give like a 3.
I give that one a 3.
Yeah.
This one a 4, yeah. Actually, I'd give this one a 3 too, just because it's dark chocolate.
Oh, is it though?
If it's not, it's very bitter chocolate.
Semi-sweet chocolate, that's why. Alright, so that is going to be it for today's video. That's basically what I eat in a day. Things change, breakfast changes, lunch changes. Well, lunch doesn't really change. Dinner, breakfast for sure changes. I just made some hibiscus tea, so we're going to put that in the fridge in a little bit. That's basically what we like to drink, but I haven't made in a while because I had made lemonade. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, and maybe I'll make more. But that's going to be it for today's video. See you guys on my next one.